Hi, welcome to Yoga and YouTube channel. This is daily yoga practice to improve blood circulation. We are going to stretch the legs, improve the strength of the muscles, and balance. Let's meet at seated position, Sukhasana. Cross your legs in a comfortable position. Place your hands on your knees. Relax your shoulders. Close your eyes. Take a moment here. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Notice the air around you. Notice the temperature around you. And then take a deep inhale. Exhale, open the eyes. Butterfly pose. Bring your feet together, open your knees wide. You're welcome to stay here or place your hands on your knees, gently forward fold. Intensify the stretch on your thighs, keeping your face muscles relaxed. Come back to center. Bring your heels in line, right foot farther, left foot close to your groin. Twist your spine. Bring your right shoulder all the way to the left knee. Look at the left side or over the left shoulder. And then switch sides. Twist your spine to the right, left shoulder towards the right knee. Come back to center, switch your legs. One more twist. Right shoulder towards the left knee. Back to center. Left shoulder towards the right knee. Come back to center. Open your legs. Flex your feet. You can move your hips side to side. And go ahead, forward fold. Drop the elbows. Or keeping your arms extended, lift your chest if you don't feel comfortable. Always do your own practice. See if you can find your comfortable breath. That's the stage that you can stop and observe. Lift your chest. Come back to center. Rotate your chest to the left side. Forward fold. Head towards the left knee or left shin. Let your head heavy. Come back to center. Switch sides. Head towards the right knee or right shin. Deep breath in. and out. Come back to center. Let's meet at tabletop position. Hands, knees, tops of the feet on the mat. Move your hips side to side, left and right. Keep moving the hips. Warm up that area. And then cow and cat variation. Inhale, lower the belly, lift your head. Exhale, round your back, chin to chest, hips towards the heels. Inhale back to cow pose. Exhale, round your back. Move with the breath. Inhale, cow. Exhale, round your back. One more inhale. Exhale, warm up the spine. Good, come back to center. Lower the belly all the way down to the mat. Feet are parallel each other. Lift your chest into Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Roll the shoulders back and down. Look forward. Stretch your neck. Stretch your chest. One more inhale. Exhale, hips back, child pose. And then tuck your toes, send your hips back, downward facing dog. Press firmly with your thumb and index fingers. Separate your fingers wide. Relax your face muscles. Gaze soft. On your inhale, lift the right leg towards the sky and step forward between your hands. Left foot 45 degrees, pyramid pose. Straighten the right leg as much as possible. If you don't feel comfortable, don't hesitate to bend the right knee slightly. And bring your belly towards the thigh. Relax your head and neck. Press firmly with your right foot. Tighten the kneecaps. Lift your chest. Open your arms to the side. Draw your belly in towards the spine. Engage your core. Good. Place your hands down. Step the right foot back, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the left leg towards the sky, three-leg dog. And step forward between your hands. Right foot 45 degrees. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Draw your left hip back, right hip forward. And then press the floor firmly with your left foot. Lift your chest. Open your arms. Engage your core. Protect your lower back. Inhale here. Good. Exhale, hands down. Step the left foot back, downward facing dog. On your inhale, plank, shoulders over the wrist. Exhale, bend the elbows, slowly lower down. Inhale, lift your heart. Stretch your front of the neck, look up if your neck is comfortable. Exhale, lower, downward facing dog. Walk your hands towards the feet and round your back slowly. Come up to standing pose. One leg balance pose. Tree pose. Place the right foot on your left inner thigh. Place your hands in front of your heart center. Open your right knee. And then extend this right leg back. Make your body shape like an alphabet T, Warrior 3 variation. Square your hips. Lower the right hip slightly. Good. Bring this right leg forward. Lift your chest, raise your arms towards the sky. Hold and breathe here. For 3, straighten your back. 2, keep lifting the right foot. 1, good, release. Switch side. Bend the left knee. Place the left foot on your right inner thigh. Hands to your heart. And then bring this left leg back. Make your body shape like an alphabet T. Straighten both legs. Gaze one point. That's okay if you're wobbling. All the process are so important. Good. And then bring this left leg forward. Raise your arms towards the sky. Lift your chest. Straighten the left leg. Hold for 3, 2. Draw your belly in. 1. Good. Release. And then raise your arms over the head. Interlace your fingers except index fingers. Push your hips forward. Slide back bending. Inhale deeply. Exhale forward fold. Inhale halfway up, flat back. Exhale forward fold. Walk your hands to the top of the mat, downward facing dog. On your inhale, plank. Exhale, bend the elbows, lower the belly. Inhale, lift your chest, cobra pose. Look up if your neck is comfortable. Exhale, slowly lower the belly. Push the floor. Hips back, child pose. And then bring your knees together. Let your head heavy. Relax your head on the mat. Reach your arms back towards the feet. Gently move your forehead side to side. Forehead massage. And then roll up to center. side stretch. Left hand to the side, right arm towards the right ear, deep stretch. And switch sides, stretch your left side body. Come back to center, seated pose. Let's roll the shoulders, inhale up, exhale, roll them back and down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Twist your spine to the left. And then twist your spine to the right. Come back to center, keeping your eyes closed. Open your chest and relax your shoulders. Notice your legs. Notice your balance. Take this opportunity to absorb all the good energy that you created today through this yoga practice. Bring your hands to your heart center. Lift your heart. Bow your head. Namaste. Thank you for joining with me today in this beautiful ginkgo trees in Korea. I hope you could enjoy this practice. Stay healthy. See you soon.